Pronay, the adventurer, who has the exact needed skills to get out of any severe dangerous situations in the wild. This is a true challenge of survival, a mirror to face off.
Pronay taking his own life at risk to present these challenging survival skills which I dare you have to learn.
You are watching exclusively free here on this platform. Proper knowledge, skills and mainly the experience, that's what matters. Pronay taking his own life at risk to present these challenging survival skills to survive in the wild, which I do assure that you will love and enjoy having a great time watching our videos Man vs Survive, new adventures on Beyond Survival Life.